Catherine Bernardo update. Spotted sila Catherine at Mayor Mark Alcala dyan sa Bangkok, Thailand. And dyan sa airport. May nakakita pa nga sa kanilang dalawa. Grabe yun. Sabi dito sa nakakita kala Catherine at Catherine and Mark spotted at Suvarnabhumi Airport in Bangkok, Thailand after a week of staying in Thailand, Chiang Mai and Bangkok. They're now heading to their second destination. Ibig sabihin dyan nag-birthday si Catherine. And grabe yun. And IG story ni John Bali. Yung kasama niya si Catherine. And Team Cat dyan sa Bangkok, Thailand. With my love. Kaya dyan kumain ang Team Catherine sa Supa Niya Eating Room. Sa pangalan po doon. Ilang beses na pinuntahan ni Catherine yan. At abangan teleserye ni Catherine na Sama Someday. Kasama sila James Reid at mga Salvador. Coming soon. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.